what you can also do is add in external links inside of your menu bar right here. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to go to pages, and then you need to hover around the plus button, and then you need to click on new link. So once you do that, on the name section right here, you can go around and type in the name of the menu that you want to keep. And then on the link, instead of selecting from one of these options right here, you can simply type in the URL of the website. So I'm going to type in www.youtube.com. So just like this, I'm going to say youtube.com and /tutortube, just like this. So now open in a new tab is turned on. So I'm just going to press done, and you can see that there's the menu right here. So this is a link, and it shows up as a link, as you can see right here. So let me just go around on to preview, and then you can see that it opens up the preview window right here. So now if I were to go around onto TutorTube, then what happens is that it opens up the link, as you can see, on a new page right here. So just like that, you can see that that is how you can add in external links inside of Google sites that you make. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.